Hello and welcome to another Kris and Noah Drinkin. I'm Noah.
I'm Kris. We're meant to do that the other way. I'm Kris.
I'm Noah. Don't worry about him. He's merely here to crush the ice.
Not anymore. I no longer crush ice. We have a blender.
What kind of person buys a blender for an anniversary gift to someone? Like, what kind of person?
You asked.
That kind of, but I did not ask for a blender. But you know, it makes you obsolete, so off you pop.
No.
Yeah.
I'm here for the long haul.
Spring has
The
sprung.
long haul.
Spring has sprung here in Australia. So, you know, all the birds are out, leaves and all that crap. Hay fever.
Hay fever, indeed.
So we thought we'd do like a spring-inspired drink. What's it called?
Honeysuckle Daiquiri.
Now, apparently if you've got like a honeysuckle flower, you can decorate the side of the thing, but I don't even know what a honeysuckle... You should put a picture.
They're a lovely little fruit. They're a lovely little flower, and you used to be able to like drink the dew from it. It was delightful.
This one's an easy recipe. Rum, orange juice, lemon juice, and honey. Now, if you can either make a honey syrup. I think we've done that once before in one of our other things. But you don't have to because of the acidity in the juice. You can do it this other way. So, you start with your runny honey straight into your shaker. About 3 spoonfuls of runny honey, which I know is about that much.
A little bit more.
No, that's enough. And then add your juices, so the acidity. So lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. If you don't have fresh lemon juice, you can just use the squeezy bottle stuff. It's
That's what he did.
Shut up! You don't need to tell them that. So it is 2/3 of a shot of lemon juice. Keep going, please. Yep, that's it. And then half a shot of orange juice. And I'm just going to start stirring.
Half a shot, you say?
Half a shot, yes, of orange juice. I'm just stirring the honey through the acidic juices to try and help it. You know that other side was a half, right?
Do now. It's my show. My name comes first.
It's not your show. People watch for me, to be fair.
But they just haven't met me yet.
They don't want to. You give it a stir until you can kind of feel that the honey is dissolving as much as it can. Come on, just give it a stir. And then 2 shots of your favourite white rum.
It's not yet dissolved.
Now you can still add your rum. Can you put the thing over here?
No.
Okay, I can pour it on you then.
It's mostly dissolved. Except for a little bit.
And then, pretty simple, add some ice.
So leaning over.
Add some ice. And shake for Jesus. Yeah. And then strain into your favourite cocktail glass. And then if you had your honeysuckle flower, you could put it on the top. You could put a mint leaf on the top, anything that says spring. Oh look, it's a shame it only made one.
As ever.
That's a shame. So, the Honeysuckle Daiquiri for spring. Happy spring. Any excuse to drink. Drink. It's good. You can taste the honey.
Cheers.
Enjoy. See you next time.
Bye.